Una sa lahat, sa mapagpalang hapon sa ating lahat, mga musika. Shoutout ako kay Allen Austin Granale ng Binawalan at saka kay Anjo Balahadja ng Antipolo City. Isa sa mga paborito ko pero hindi ko makuha kahit kailan. This is the second time around, kakantayin ko ulit sa dalawang aking pinsan. Thank you. Ingat kayo palagi. It's not time to make a change. Just relax, take it easy. You're still young. That's your fault, there's so much you have to know. Find a girl, settle down. If you want, you can marry. Look at me, I am old, but I'm happy. I was once like you are now, and I know that's not easy to become when you found something going on. But take your time, think a lot, think in everything you got, or you will still be here tomorrow, but your dreams may not. How can I try to explain when I do turns away again? It is always been the same old story. From the moment I could talk, I was older to listen. Now there's a way, and I know that I have to go away. I know I have to go. Ingat kayong palaging dalawa. Sa lahat po sa akin nakikinig ng musika ko, isa lang masasabi sa inyo. Panin Lloyd, narito lang para uwitan kayo. Kaya ako kayo bibitaw, kayo magsasama kayo ng musika ko. Puro original ang lumalabas sa kanta rito. It's not time, make a change. Just sit down, take it slowly. You're still young, that's your fault. There's so much you have to do. Find a girl, settle down. If you want, you can marry. Look at me, I am old, but I'm happy. All the times that I cry, keeping all the things I knew inside is hard, but it's harder to ignore it. If they were right, I agree, but it's them, they know, not me. Now there's a way, and I know that I have to go away. I know I have to go. Maraming salamat, mga kamusika. Ingat kayong palagi. Bye-bye.